Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG Models American Airlines 787-8, one of their first 787-8 models for them to release with the mold, their new mold, and I'm super excited to have this in the collection. I originally didn't pick this one up, but then I went back and got it a little while later just to have it and to see what this mold is like and everything. So here we have it. Here's the box, very nice, looking beautiful. Good little box art as always. And let's get right on into it. Card off to the side. Alrighty. Interesting sort of packaging. There we go. There we go. Alright. Oh, okay. Kind of like stuck in here. Oh, it's also slippery. Got that like grease on it. I'm not sure what they've done, but it's kind of stuck in here. Oh, that's not good. I see how they got it packaged. They got it like snapped in here, but it's not good. Okay, there we go. I can see an issue with that though, because it looks like how they've got it in there damaged the paint a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, here we have the mold. Wow, this mold looks fantastic. This looks really, really nice. But one thing I want to note though is on this side, you can see right here, the paint came off of that because of how it's packaged. It kind of gets like stuck in there. It looks like that just kind of took the paint off, and I was trying to get it out. So not the end of the world because it's super tiny and not that big of a deal, but just something to note. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this mold. Beautiful. So around the front here, the mold, very, very nice. Looks really good. Got some great detail here, all the AOA indicators and side ports, etc. More along down there. Got the L1 door, American Airlines logo, and the American title. L2 door there, very nice. Got the antenna and the Wi-Fi dome at the top. Nose gear and everything looks very good. The engine's looking really, really nice, and the wings are very, very nice. No like crazy flex or anything. Looking really, really good. You can see the engine's looking very nice head on. They actually are hollow, which is interesting because I thought NG was going for the more realistic, not hollow, sort of detailed blades. Interesting though. But overall they look really nice. We're just kind of moving along here. Got the main landing gear looking very, very nice. L3 door there. Registration November 880 Bravo Juliet. I can't tell what that says below it. Then you have the bulk bin door here. L4 door, the tail. Got the antennas at the back right there. Looking really nice. Take a look at it from behind. Looks pretty good. And on this side then it's just the baggage door there. And up at the front here, the cargo doors. So a very nice model, very happy to have this. It looks fantastic. The color is spot on. Looks very nice. So I'm happy to have this one in the collection. I do have the Gemini Jets version as well, but I'm happy to have the NG and my first 787-8 model from them. And I think it looks fantastic. So, you know, if you guys looking for it, hope you can get it. I know a lot of people have already picked it up because it was one of the first ones released and whatnot. So yeah. Anyways, a nice short video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.